Hi, Howard Deal here from the General Agency, and today I will be going over group level funded health plans. So let's get started. Is level funding right for your business? The first thing we need to look at is what level funded health plans are. Level funded health plans are written on a self-funded chassis, which means they are actually self-funded, they are not fully insured. They are not subject to many of the ACA guidelines, so they are very affordable. The requirements for level funding is you need to have at least 2 or more employees. Your group has to be in relatively good health. You have to be in business for at least 3 months and the ability to commit to a 1-year contract. Now, the benefits to level funded group health insurance are they are more affordable. You do have flexible plan designs, and the employer gets returned any unused claims dollars that are left in the claims fund. The drawback to level funding is they do require medical underwriting, which means your employees will be asked medical questionnaires in 99% of the cases. The quotes can be loaded based on medical conditions, and it does require a 1-year commitment. Now here's how level funding works. First, your company will pay its monthly premium just like it would to a fully insured carrier. But when the company receives the money, they split that premium payment into 2 pieces. One goes to the fixed cost, which covers the cost of reinsurance, administrative cost, network access, and other expenses. The second piece goes to the claims fund, which is known as the employer aggregate deductible. Now that claims fund goes to pay claims, and that's first dollar claims. So if your employees are going to the doctor visits, all of those payments come directly out of the claims fund to pay the providers. Now, at the end of the year, if there's any unused claims dollars, that money gets returned back to the employer. So not only do these plans have very affordable premiums, you do have the ability to get money back at the end of the year. So here's an example of a group that we've done not too long ago. This group had 25 employees. There were 14 employee onlys, 1 employee spouse, 5 employee children, and 5 employees that had full families. So the monthly fixed cost on this group was $11,334. The monthly aggregate claims fund was $6,104, and the total monthly premium was $17,438. Now that $17,438 includes all of the premium. That includes all of the dependent cost and the employee cost. Okay, now this group has an annual claims fund of $73,248. It also has a specific deductible on there as well. Now, a specific deductible is a limit on how big a claim is. So, for example, if you have an employee that had a car accident, had $1 million claim, only $10,000 would come out of that $73,248. The level funded plans that have specific deductibles are very popular because one person cannot exhaust the entire claims fund. So when you're looking for a level funded group health plan, ask if it has a specific deductible. If it doesn't, it'll be an aggregate only. The aggregate only are a little bit cheaper than the ones with specific, but the specific does have protections for that annual claims fund in the event of a catastrophic claim. So remember, unused claims dollars are returned back to the employer. So here's an example of this company. Their monthly premium is $17,438. Sorry about my phone. The premium gets divided into 2 pieces, the fixed cost and the claims fund. The claims fund times 12 is $73,248, which is used to pay claims. Now, we'll use an example of having $50,000 worth of claims in this plan year. So the group did have claims, but those unused claims dollars, which is going to be $23,248 in this example, would be returned directly back to the employer. So not only do you get better rates, you also have the ability of getting those unused claims dollars returned. Now, if you've had a bad year and your claims exceeded the annual claims fund, and in this case, the $73,000, let's say, for example, this group had $200,000 or $1 million worth of claims, they would get no money back, but they would be enjoying the lower premiums of a level funded health plan. Now, to find out if a level funded health plan is right for you, you'll need a census. And on that census, the carriers will need the company name, company address, your nature of business, and your requested effective date. The employees will need from the employees, will need their name, age, date of birth, dependent status, and zip code. We won't need medical questions answered for the quote itself, just this information here for the census. In addition, you might want to find a broker that has experience with level funded health plans. They are a little bit more complicated and they do take a little bit longer in underwriting. So find a broker that's experienced with it before you commit to a level funded health plan. And those are the basics of level funded health plans. If you have any questions, feel free to call us at 972-466-2915. And remember to subscribe to our channel for upcoming videos. Thank you.